Instantly convert any article, blog post, or outline into a stunning, high-engagement carousel post. First things first, make sure to click Connect LinkedIn to ensure your LinkedIn account is successfully linked to Dynal.AI. Click Add Source. Select Insert Text from the drop-down and paste your content directly. Depending on what you have, you can also choose to import via URL or files. Enter a prompt describing your requirements. Then select the number of images. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let your LinkedIn agent get to work. Dynal.AI is your personal LinkedIn creation agent. It understands your ideas, processes your content, and acts automatically, turning inspiration into impactful posts. As you can see, a well-structured, ready-to-publish carousel post is prepared in just moments. Need changes? Simply click Edit on the image to tweak the post until it's perfect. And that's it, your post is ready to go. Make sure carousel mode is checked. Then click Publish. Now, your carousel post is live. Just hand your articles, blog posts, or outlines to Dynal.AI. In minutes, they will be transformed into clear LinkedIn carousel posts, ready to publish instantly. Open Dynal.AI and try it now. Subscribe to our channel for more.